Namaskar, this is Firstpost and you're watching Vantage with me, Palki Sharma. A new week begins with a new twist in world politics. 3 setbacks for the US. First, its ally Japan is buying Russian oil, so much for the sanctions. They're just not working. Second, another ally, Macron, is heading to China to shore up business deals. This comes at a time when America is trying to corner China, especially on trade and technology. And third, BRICS countries are looking to dump the dollar in favor of a common BRICS currency. May not happen in a hurry, but shows the general trend against the US dollar. We'll tell you about all these developments. Also, the King of Bhutan is visiting India just days after his Prime Minister legitimized China's claim on Doklam. The Saudis are mending ties with Syria as the sands continue to shift in West Asia. And a question we're asking all of you: will you pay for the Twitter blue tick? Write to us. We'll tell you who's not paying and why it's such a big debate. Also, Italy's latest move in the language wars. It's an action-packed Monday. The headlines first. A bomb blast at a cafe in St. Petersburg kills a top Russian military blogger. Moscow claims Ukrainian special services were involved in the attack. A 26-year-old female suspect has been detained. The World Bank is worried about China's loans to Africa. Its president calls for more transparency. The warning comes as countries like Ghana and Zambia struggle to repay their debts to Beijing. Malaysia to abolish the mandatory death penalty. The parliament has passed a bill. So far, convictions for offences like murder and drug trafficking came with automatic death penalties, but now judges can hand out a jail term. Finland's Prime Minister Sanna Marin defeated in Sunday's general elections. Marin's party has finished third. The right-wing National Coalition Party won the tight race. 37-year-old Sanna Marin became the world's youngest Prime Minister in 2019. And French Minister Marlene Schiappa is under fire for appearing on the cover of the Playboy magazine. Her decision has angered her colleagues. This comes at a time when the Macron government is facing violent protests over pension reforms.